I'm logged into the Azure portal and in the properties of my virtual machine. If you've created additional disks, you may want to have those encrypted for your data protection. On the left-hand side, under Settings, we see Disks. And at the top of the screen, we see the disk where my Windows installation had occurred. Now that one is already going to be encrypted using the Microsoft keys, but I don't have any additional disks, so I'm going to add a new disk. So I'll click on Create and attach a new disk. I'm just going to choose the defaults here. We have the data disk name. I'll choose the ASC and I'll just call it Store. Under the premium SSD, I'll leave that as it is. The gigabyte size, it's defaulted to 4 gigabytes, which is perfectly fine. And we're going to use where it says encryption. We have the option for the platform managed key, which means that disk encryption set is not required. Or we can choose the encryption at rest with the platform managed key, as we did with our C drive when it was originally installed. Let's say that I've previously created this particular disk and now I'm changing my mind and saying, you know what, I would like to have encryption done. So I can click on Edit and I can choose where it says encryption type and hit the drop down and choose either the encryption at rest with the platform managed key, or I can do double encryption if I want to have additional security. I'll just do the standard and I'll click OK. If you want to change your encryption type, you can do so at any time simply by clicking the Edit.